Hemorrhoids are an extremely serious problem and take the shape of small bumps or growths in the anus as well as the lower part of the rectum. Though they might look like polyps or other additional tissue, they are a normal part of our body. Isabgol is very good to take when suffering from hemorrhoids. It will help you get your bowel movements going easy and regularly due to its laxative properties. The powder also reduces inflammation in hemorrhoids due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Isabgol also reduces bleeding in hemorrhoids. Isabgol is used to treat constipation, that's lead to hemorrhoids in most cases. It boosts the bulk in your stool and the effect assists to cause movement of the intestines. It also works remarkably by increasing the amount of fluid in the stool, making the stool very softer and easier to pass. And the resulting decrease in hemorrhoid symptoms. Isabgol, a type of bulk-forming laxative, has been also utilized along with proper meals to cure high cholesterol problems as well. Isabgol is a natural laxative that contains both insoluble and soluble fibers. It's the best remedy to treat hemorrhoids. When consumed, it expands in the stomach, thereby pushing out the contents from the body. Which is essential in piles, being hygroscopic in nature. The medication absorbed moisture from the surrounding to moisten the hardened stools. What shrinks hemorrhoids fast? A pile is a vein that aids with elimination. Why you become strained and constipated to complete a bowel movement or when during pregnancy period puts force on these veins, they can become painful, inflamed, and itchy. This force causes the pile to swell up widely. It can even start to bleed, and producing red marks on the toilet seat or in toilet bowl water. Isabgol can shrink hemorrhoids relatively fast as it makes the stool very soft and easy to pass out. Some piles are internal and develop inside the anus or rectum. And others develop beneath the skin just around your anus part and are considered external piles. More than half of people will have to deal with these very unpleasant inflamed blood veins by the time they reach the age of 50, and several people do not understand that developing piles is actually quite a normal thing. Fortunately, there are many different methods to treat symptoms of hemorrhoids itself and Isabgol is one of them. What is Isabgol and what can it do for hemorrhoids? Isabgol or psyllium husk is the seed of the plant genus Plantago. The plant has narrow and long leaves and its seeds are arranged in a way same to that of wheat. It's an herb that's native to Asian countries, the North African and Mediterranean regions. Psyllium is a rabi crop that needs cool, dry, and sunny weather to grow and 5 to 6 months to get harvest ready. Isabgol contains soluble and insoluble fiber that acts as a fine dietary supplement and helps the digestion system. Isabgol contains 70% soluble fiber and 30% insoluble fiber. It's a well-known remedy to treat hemorrhoids. The soluble fiber in the Isabgol aids in decreasing the risk of health issues like piles, diarrhea, constipation, regulates blood sugar level, cholesterol, and more. How to use Isabgol for hemorrhoids? You can use Isabgol orally as directed by your doctor or health provider. If you're self-treating, follow the directions including side effects. If you've any questions, ask your health provider or doctor. To prevent choking with Isabgol, take it with a full glass liquid or water. If you're taking the Isabgol wafers, just chew them thoroughly right before swelling. If you are taking it in powder form to treat hemorrhoids, measure every dose according to the directions by your health provider or mix a full glass of liquid or water or 240 milliliters, stir completely, and drink it. You might add more water to the mixture if it becomes very thick. When preparing a solution, be careful not to breathe in the Isabgol powder since it might rarely cause a serious allergic reaction. How to dose Isabgol? Dosage to treat hemorrhoids is based on your age and the condition of your piles. Don't increase your Isabgol amount or take this more often than directed. Isabgol might reduce the absorption of other medicines you might take. Take Isabgol at last 2 hours from your other medications. We suggest you ask your health provider for more info or if you've any questions or concerns. It might take 1 to 3 days before Isabgol starts to shrink piles. Use Isabgol regularly to get the most advantage from it. To help you, keep in mind, take it at a similar dose and time each day. Don't take this for more than 7 to 8 days to treat piles unless directed by your health provider. Tell your health provider if your condition worsens or persists if bleeding from the rectum areas occurs. If you think you might have a serious medical condition, look for immediate medical attention. When should Isabgol be taken? Isabgol can also be taken with warm milk every night to prevent from getting constipated, as this is one of the main factors why we get hemorrhoids. The powder causes the stool to soften and expand, and therefore improving the movement of the stool. Also, taking 2 teaspoons of Isabgol with buttermilk helps in bowel movements. Take the mixture at night before going to bed. To fight diarrhea with Isabgol, simply mix it with curd, and it's effective in helping with loose stools. The fibers in Isabgol helps when you suffer from diarrhea. Is Isabgol safe for daily use? Isabgol is safe to take daily if you follow the directions of your health physician or the directions on the box or jar it comes in. According to studies, you can take Isabgol daily and the amount is 20 grams per day, and remember to take it with 8 ounces of water too. You might consume Isabgol 2 times a day as needed. It'd be consumed with water or liquid such as honey, milk, smoothies, or juices after breakfast or dinner. One should avoid taking a high amount of Isabgol in order to remove the risk or serious side effects. It's generally regarded that fiber mush to consume naturally via food, as supplements such as Isabgol don't provide enough quantity of vitamins and minerals and other important nutrients. For self-treating, don't take Isabgol for more than 7 days. Side effects of Isabgol: stomach or gas cramping might happen. If any of this effect worsens or persists, tell your health provider or doctor promptly. If your health provider has directed you to use Isabgol, keep in mind that she has judged that the advantage to you for hemorrhoids is greater than the risk of side effects. Several people using Isabgol to treat piles at home and don't have serious side effects. Isabgol must be taken with at least a full glass of liquid, so that it will not swell in the throat and causing choking. In this condition, look for immediate medical help if after taking Isabgol you've symptoms of choking such as the difficulty of swelling or breathing, chest pain or vomiting. A very serious allergic reaction to Isabgol is rare. Though, seek quick medical help if you notice symptoms of an allergic reaction such as itching, rash, trouble breathing, or severe dizziness. Also, if you encounter swelling of the face, tongue or throat, then seek help immediately. Final thoughts on Isabgol: if your hemorrhoid symptoms don't relieve after 7 days of using Isabgol, you should see your doctor. There are non-surgical and surgical treatments for curing piles. In general, most health providers try not to exercise surgical treatment until they have extinguished the non-surgical choices, or if someone presents at a level that's just so advanced or they have suffered with it very long that surgical treatment is the single option. For more info, please see healmyhemorrhoids.com.